کہ کل الیکشن اختتام پذیر ہوا تو پہلے تو ہم شکریہ ادا کرنا چاہتے ہیں لوگوں کا کہ لوگوں کی بھاری تعداد نے اس میں حصہ لیا اور حصہ لے کر اپنے امیدوار کو اپنا اعتماد دیا. بہرحال تو پریس کانفرنس بلانے کا ہمیں ایک ہی مقصد ہے کہ ہمیں اپریہنشنز ہے. اپریہنشنز یہ ہے کہ یہ جو آفیسرس جورنگ ماڈل کوڈ آف کنڈکٹ چینج ہوتے رہتے ہیں, ٹرانسفرس ہوتے رہتے ہیں, ان کو لانے کا مقصد کیا ہے. ایک بات تو ڈی ڈی سی الیکشنز میں ہم نے بھی یہ دیکھا ہے, تب کہ ایس پی اور ڈی سی نے اس ٹائم جس حساب نے ایڈمنسٹریشن نے اس ٹائم ایک مخصوص پارٹی کو سپورٹ کیا یا ان کی مدد کی, تو ہمیں لگ رہا ہے کہ ان آرڈر ٹو ڈسپل آور اپریہنشنس ہم چاہتے ہیں اور زور مطالبہ کرتے ہیں, گزارش کرتے ہیں الیکشن کمیشن سے کہ مہربانی کر کے آپ نے جو ایس ایس پی صاحب کو لایا ہے کچھ دیر کے لیے, تو اس کا ہمیں یہ خدشہ ہے کہ وہ ایک مخصوص پارٹی کو ایک مخصوص پارٹی کی مدد کر رہا ہے. تو مہربانی کر کے تب تک اب اس کو دوبارہ لا سکتے ہیں, مگر تب تک جب تک ہم کاؤنٹنگ ختم کریں گے, وہ جو 8 تاریخ کو کاؤنٹنگ ہونی ہے اس کو ہٹا کر ہمیں یہ کاؤنٹنگ کرنے دیں. تو اسی لیے ہم نے یہ پریس کانفرنس بلائی ہے. یہ سموتھلی چلا ہے, پیسفلی چلا ہے, بارنگ سم انٹورڈ انسیڈنٹس جو کل ہوئے, یہاں پہ ہوا بانڈی پورہ میں, ایک سوناواری میں بھی ہوا. بارنگ دوز انسیڈنٹس اٹ وینٹ ویری سموتھلی and I thank people of the Sonavari and Bandipora as well for participating and casting their votes. لیکن اس کے ساتھ ساتھ جو ہمیں اپریہنشنز ہیں ان اپریہنشنز کو ڈسپل کرنا یہ ہمارے لیے ناگزیر بن گیا ہے کہ ہم گزارش کریں الیکشن کمیشن کو کہ وہ ہماری اس بات پر, اس گزارش پر غور کر کے, اس کو کنسیڈر کر کے اس کو ہٹا دیں. ہمیں پھر سموتھلی یہ جو کاؤنٹنگ ہے اس میں عمل میں لانا ہے, کنکلوڈ کرنی ہے. تو اسی لحاظ سے ہم نے یہ پریس کانفرنس بلائی ہے, اسی تناظر میں ہم نے یہ پریس کانفرنس بلائی ہے.
کچھ سیریس ایلیگیشنز لگی ہیں باقی
جی جی
جی باقی کچھ امیدوار ہیں یہاں پہ, کچھ سیریس ایلیگیشن لگی ہے, اس بات پر رسپانس بلائی گئی, کیا بولنا چاہیں گے اس بارے میں؟
وہ ان کو شاید اس چیز
نہیں, اس بارے میں آپ نظام صاحب سے بات کر
ان کو
سکتے ہیں.
شاید اس چیز کا علم نہیں ہوگا جو انہوں نے پریس کانفرنس آج بھی میں نے بھی دیکھی. I was surprised to see that people can get that low. He has been a minister once, he has been legislator twice, notwithstanding his status in various parties, in various militant groups. But he should have gained sufficient experience to take up issues and get them to public domain. I don't have to say much on that because the village he has referred is my birthplace and the people he has referred are in my relation. The victim of the entire episode has already spoken and that's an enough rejoinder to his allegations. 1. 2, that he has raised a very sensitive issue about Pandits. That's unfortunate on his part. There is nowhere in entire state kind of a division he is speaking about. And there has been no one ever since Pandits have migrated or some of them living here that they have ever accused a single Muslim of Bandipur of harming them or getting them to any damages and loss. It's absolutely unfortunate that a candidate contesting elections should post-election rack up an issue politicizing a community which is in distress. They are migrants, they are not here. And who doesn't know that in entire Kashmir Valley there are disputes between Pandits and Muslims. There have been disputes between Pandits and Muslims. Should I, as a politician or political worker, exploit a dispute to my advantage? And when every dispute is sub judice, should I make a reference to it? He has a grudge about a businessman, about a reputed educationist from our area who has risen to a position. He is maligning a person, getting disrepute to his institution, getting disrepute to our own constituency and our alaka, which is known for brotherhood. The administration in a state going into the wilderness about his own statements should come out and book him. It's an offense in criminal law that publicly racking up a divisive issue and provoking a particular community or an adversary community to come to loggerheads. Should that happen, I make a fervent appeal to entire administration and LG in particular, Honorable LG, to take exception to such a statement. He cannot pollute our atmosphere. For his cheap personal ends, he cannot get that low to get two communities to fight each other. We are a society who want to be in harmony. We are a society where we respect each other. We are a society where we have protected the property of a single Hindu, whether be that Kalusa, Ajar or Arga. There has been no untoward incident ever when the militancy and insurgency was on peak, when he was himself a militant and then a renegade. Should he not ask himself that his brother has dispossessed a Pandit lawyer and has built a house on his land? Should that be investigated? Are not there incidents where he has grabbed Pandit property? Should those be investigated? When he says that there is a sale deed, others also say like that. If any Pandit has a grudge, let him come to public. There is every single citizen from Bandipur who will support them.
Do you feel this is a frustration, and why do you anticipate it at this time of the poll, after polls it has come?
You see the kind of a person, he is always trying to play a bravado. I would say it's a frustration. And out of bravado, he wants to browbeat everybody. This is kind of a machination where he would convey to Muslims that here I am, I can rack up any issue to see you suppressed. And he also conveys to Pandits, here I am, that who can exploit you.
Any more questions? So what are the expectations about the poll results?
You are yourself the witness to public perceptions. How wrong can the people be who are vocal in their expressions that we have voted for alliance? We don't need any sufficient evidence to make kind of an analysis who is the winner. But we still remain, we are confident, but we are choosy to, because we don't rush to conclusions. We want to give system a space. There has been a process. We had a campaign. We had done the D-Day, Hastings. And then we are going to counting. Why should I rush to one conclusion or another conclusion, except that our worthy colleague has expressed certain apprehensions, and those are our joint apprehensions. Because there are instances to
there have been instances in the past.
On
the basis of those instances, that's why we have come out for a press conference, and we don't want that administration to repeat those incidents, because in DTC election you might have witnessed the incidents which have taken place inside the county hall. So those incidents should not happen, and our apprehensions should be dispelled. And the request I am making to the election commission for transferring the SSP for a brief time, so that the counting in the county hall happens in a smooth way.
I guess the administration has already dispelled these things. They are saying there were some minor clashes, but they were dispelled immediately. So do I still have appreciation there might be some bugging around the counting place?
Where the incident is being repeated from one single party every day, creating a drama and then accusing us. What is that? What is that? This is subtle pressure being used. And why is police encouraging that? Why can't we be apprehensive? Once police is encouraging that, they hear only one side.
सर वटपुरा वाकई की अगर हम बात करें, क्या कुछ हो गया था वहाँ पे, हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए।
बोल दिया ना उस बंदे ने सारा उसका, go into that statement. The poor man is weeping. There is a family dispute. वो मामा और भांजों का मसला है. And should you use the language he has used?